What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life. My name is Min, and today I'm going to show you how to do a stiletto shaped nails. As you all know, when it comes to doing a set of nails, shaping is one of the most important things, and we have to execute it perfectly. You can have a beautiful acrylic application. You can pick the most prettiest color out there, but if your shape is not there, then the nail is not gonna look good. By the time y'all finish this video, I want y'all to be comfortable. I want y'all to be loose. And I want y'all to go out there telling the client that you can do a stiletto shape. And if it ain't sharp, it ain't stilettos. You know what I mean? So if y'all don't know who I am, my name is Min, and I've been doing nails for 15 plus years. And I just want to show y'all my experience and help y'all grow as a nail tech and really have a good career. And if you love what I'm gonna show you, then let's get it. So I applied this tip on for her. She wanted this length, and when y'all do like a stiletto, y'all want the length to be like medium to long. A short one is gonna be like kitty claws, you know what I mean? So what you wanna do is you're gonna get the little scissor and you're gonna go in and you're gonna cut into the shape of the stiletto, okay? And throughout this video, y'all probably gonna hear me use the word stiletto a lot because there's no other way to say it. That's the shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut into that stiletto shape, right? But when y'all cut, y'all kind of be careful. These are the plastic tips, and sometimes when y'all cut, y'all can crack the tips. And you don't wanna crack the tips, y'all. What you wanna do is you're gonna go in and you're gonna cut it nice and gently, right? And what I usually do is I like to cut it a little bit by a little bit because you never know if you're cutting too much on one side or not. So you gotta go in a little bit by a little bit. And just want to let you know, like on the side of the nail, with the widest part, you got to try to cut it in. And in your mind at this moment right here, you want to make it as sharp as you can. But you can't go too sharp right now because it's hard to cut them sharp with the scissor. So this way you're going to go in with the file. The E file right here, y'all, is going to make the shape, that stiletto, the way you want it to be. And the way you want to do the stilettos, you got to make them nice and straight. Like so straight and so sharp. It put holes in your pantyhose, you know what I mean? So what you want to do is this right here, y'all. First, when it comes to shaping, you gotta know how to hold the client's hand. You can't just like hold it easily and cut them, right? You gotta pin down the side cuticle. Do you see where my thumb is hanging on top of her fingernails? Is where I'm gonna pin down that side skin. And then on the other finger, you see how I'm pinning down her skin? That's how you prevent from cutting the clients with the file. And if y'all using like a brand new file or something, you gotta do a preparation on the file. And if y'all don't know what preparation of the file is, it's literally using a buffer and just filing the edge of the file so you kind of soften up that edge so you don't go on and cut the client. Man, cutting the client when y'all file is painful, yo. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and just work side to side, yo. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna work side to side, and you see how my finger is just constantly covering the side of her skin. Y'all see that? That is important, y'all. That is the technique right there. That is something y'all don't learn in school. Okay, school just gonna say, oh, that's the shape, that's the shape. No. I'm showing y'all the technique so that you don't hurt the client. And you know most of my tutorial videos that I do for y'all is all on real life clients, yo. I don't got no fake hand. Well, I just bought myself a fake hand, but I'm trying to tell y'all this is real stuff. So what I'm trying to tell y'all is this is real action, yo. So back to the shaping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue to side to side, yo. When I shape, why do I go side to side? Because you're trying to shift it to the middle. You can't just go hard on one side and forgot how many sides you had to do on this side. You gotta bring it to the middle. And the goal is, like I say, you want that shape to be sharp, and that is a stiletto. Okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in, and you see how it's getting sharp, yo? But you see the main thing about the filing is this, y'all. I kind of go up, down, sideways, but you gotta make sure it's comfortable for the client because it's irritating, y'all. Can you imagine that tip is long? And you're filing and then it's vibrating. Come on, nobody likes that. So you kind of gotta understand that feeling that you don't want your clients to have. You feel me? So what you're gonna do is, you see how I take so much time on this part, but look, it's good that you take the time on this part to shape, is because once you get the shape down, when you do the application, y'all, you don't even have to shape that much, because the shape is there. You are literally doing an outline of the shape already, y'all. Back in the day, man, I don't know what I was thinking. I would put the acrylic on and I would do the shape afterward. You know how long that take? You know how your hand hurts so bad when y'all do that? This is easy because the plastic tip is easy to file, yo. Especially early, y'all use the scissors and y'all cut it. You feel me? So look, continue making that shape sharp. And when y'all doing the shape at this moment, keep in mind, don't file the top of the nail. Because if you file the top of the nail, it's gonna ruin the length. And you don't wanna do that, because that, before you file the shape, you and the client has already come to an agreement that y'all like that length. So just keep working the side. And y'all can ask the client throughout, is this shape all right? Is this shape all right? You want a confirmation so that you have a smooth journey throughout the process. Okay, so as I am shaping her nail, I get it going. You know what's next is the application. But in this tutorial, yo, I'm just gonna show you the shape. We gonna skip the application part, okay? Because here's the thing. Y'all, I make a lot of video about application already. If y'all want to see a couple of those videos, just go back, man. I got you, okay? But today, I just want to focus on getting that stiletto shape sharp, okay? So, of course, after I do this, I put the application on. She wanted like a black ombre, yo. And this black ombre right here, I went in with the black. I added the white Young Nail core, and I went in with the earth nude covered by Young Nail. So it comes out like that. But anyways, after I put on the application, the shape is already there. I am literally going to just make the shape a little bit better with the acrylic on. That is it. But why do I need to do that? Because when you put the acrylic on, you know I put on several coats, okay? Just to build the apex and all that. The acrylic's gonna expand and it's gonna make the shape not what it was when you had the tips. So now you gotta go in with the file and you gotta make that stiletto sharp. You gotta make it sharper. You gotta make it so sharp, but that's the best part about this right here. You ain't gonna do that much because you just gotta work the side. You gotta work the edges. And at the end of the day, you don't want to cut her and you got to hold it right. You see how I'm holding her finger, yo? Today, the main thing about shaping, y'all, is how you hold the client's finger and how you hold your file. If you can follow that technique right here that I am using, I don't care what shape the clients ask for. It's doable, y'all. It's doable, okay? So it's important how you hold the client's hand. So, look, I'm just working the side, yo. At this point right here, I'm chatting with my client. I'm getting to know her a little bit more because I know she's happy what she got. The foundation's there. The shape is there. Come on, y'all. Look at that. That thing is sharp, okay? That thing is sharp. And again, how easy is that? That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, I'm trying to make this as easy as possible so that y'all be comfortable. Like, you know, if you're new to the game of the nail industry, I don't want to make this hard for y'all. Like, I don't want this to be like, oh my God, it's gonna take, no, look, I got you, okay? This stuff is not hard, but it does take time. And if you take time, then you're gonna execute any type of shape. But keep in mind, y'all, the shape is the most important thing. When I was growing up in the industry, y'all, I thought acrylic application was hard, but that's not hard at all. The shaping is hard. And let me tell you why it's hard, y'all. The shaping is hard is because y'all got different type of hands. Y'all got women who got man hand. Y'all got women who got no hand. Y'all got women who got half a finger, no nail, missing feet. You got all kind of hands. And you gotta shape based on those hands. And those are hard to do. So that's why as nail tech, y'all gotta think about that, okay? Y'all can't just be shaping the same thing. But keep in mind, if y'all want your shape to be nice and straight, make it straight. Don't make it bubble, okay? And let me tell you what's next. After I complete this with the hand file, right? Y'all think it's over? No, the shaping's not done yet. The shaping's not done yet. The E-file, man. That E-file, ooh, that's gonna be your best friend right there, because you know when you see those pictures what the shape is nice and sharp. That's the E-file right there, y'all. I'm not kidding with y'all. That's the E-file right there. That E-file, man, I'm telling y'all. That E-file get to make that line nice and crisp. It flush the cuticles. And you look, man, you see how I got the acrylic like hella close to the cuticle? But it's crazy. I flushed the cuticle so well, it almost looked like she did a backfill again, man. That's what a lot of my TikTok people say. But let me tell y'all something. That E-file right here is so tight because I'm using it at its maximum speed. It's nice and fine bit. It's not a coarse one. It gives a smooth touch. It get the cuticles going. But you gotta look at how I'm holding her hand again, yo. Look, when y'all using the E-file, the hand file, y'all gotta know how to hold the hand. You see how her hand is laying on my hand? And you see how I'm using my hand to maneuver her finger back and forth, up and down? That's the technique right there, y'all. That's the technique y'all need to know. Okay, if y'all want to master how to file anything, y'all gotta know how to hold the client's hand. I don't care what nail tech that tells you the hand is important, how you hold the client's hand, yo. That's when you know that person is a veteran. You know what I mean? They hold the client's hand right. They know how to control the machine. And y'all don't cut the client. You see, I'm not even cutting that, and I'm just sketching. When I use this E-file, y'all, I am sketching that thing, okay? I am like, man, you know what I mean? I'm sketching like that, yo. And that's how you do it. And look, you see how when I switch the finger, you know how I start from the thumb? Look, in my last video, I was explaining that, but I want to explain that again. You see, when you start from the thumb, see, I start from the pinky with her right hand. And then I shift it all the way to the thumb with her left hand. But let me tell y'all why, though. The reason is, you see when my drill is going this way, the powder is going that way. So if I go this way, the powder is not going to hit the other the finger that I'm gonna need next. You see how I'm going on to the next finger and the powder's not covering it? That's what I'm saying, yo. It's like, that is another things that you learn as you grow as a nail tech. Like, nobody teach you this kind of stuff, you know? You just see, oh my God, this is doing that, so you gotta figure out the best way that works for you efficiently, perfectly, just to make the clients feel good. You know, at the end of the day, we are a customer service industry. What we produce is a product, so we do product and service, so we got to be executing at both level at high throttle. And if you guys can take anything from this tutorial, I tell you what, it's all about the technique of how you hold the client's hand when it comes to the shaping. Because with the shape, it's easy. They want coffin, give them coffin. You know, they want stiletto, give them stiletto. This is what we're doing. And when y'all buff it right. Left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right, right, right. You know what I mean? Y'all can't just be going like crazy like that, y'all. So that's what I want y'all to take, is the technique of holding the hand and do. Look at that, yo. Look at the shape of her nails. This client of mine, she was loving it, yo. I tell you what, that we went through how many steps just to get to this shape? A lot of steps, yo. We gotta cut them down, file them, application, file them again. Oh my God, there's so many, but you know what? It is worth it. It is worth every step of the way, because the shape represents the nails, yo. And I hope y'all feel comfortable now. Are you comfortable? Come on, let me know in the comment that after you watch this tutorial, you're comfortable and you're confident to do a stiletto on your client. You can go out there now, yo, and tell the client, if it ain't sharp, it ain't stilettos. Give it a thumbs up for this video, y'all, so other nail tech or whoever wants to learn how to do a stiletto can watch it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that bell button, yo. Y'all get notification on all my weekly content. I even go live with my client, start to finish on the service, yo. Any questions, any concern, leave it in the comment. Message me on my Instagram, yo. I'll respond back, help y'all out. I see y'all in the next video. Take care.